Git workflow for Terraform projects. What is a Git workflow for Terraform projects? A Git workflow for Terraform projects is the structured process teams use to manage infrastructure as code safely using Git and Terraform. It defines how infrastructure is designed, how changes are reviewed, how deployments are applied, how production systems are protected, why it matters for Terraform. Infrastructure is code. One wrong change can delete resources. Cloud costs depend on configs. Production stability depends on it. So workflow equals safety plus automation plus controlled infrastructure changes. Why Terraform projects need a proper Git workflow? Terraform projects usually involve Terraform files, TF, cloud resources, AWS, Azure, GCP, state files, modules, CI, CD pipelines, secrets and variables. Without workflow, cross-mark accidental resource deletion, cross-mark broken environments, cross-mark security risks, cross-mark no history of infra changes, cross-mark hard rollbacks. With workflow, check mark stable infrastructure, check mark predictable changes, check mark easier debugging, check mark safer rollbacks, check mark better teamwork. Typical branch structure for Terraform projects. Common structure. Main means production infrastructure. Develop means integration branch. Feature branches means infra changes. Module branches means reusable modules. Release branches means planned updates. Hotfix branches means urgent fixes. Example: main, develop, feature, add RDS, feature, update VPC, release, version 1.3.0. Hotfix, security group fix. Why? Protects production, supports parallel infra changes, enables controlled deployments. Feature branch workflow. Terraform teams. For each infrastructure change, create branch from develop, update Terraform code, run Terraform FMT, run Terraform validate, run Terraform plan, commit changes, push branch, open pull request, review and merge into develop. Why? Isolates risky changes, prevents breaking live infra, enables review. Bad practice. Cross-mark run Terraform apply directly on main. Cross-mark change infra without review. Good practice. Check mark one infra change per branch. Check mark mandatory pull requests. Pull requests in Terraform projects. PRs are used to review Terraform code, review resource impact, review security rules, review cost impact, run automated checks. PR should include check mark clear description, check mark Terraform plan output, check mark resource impact summary, check mark rollback steps. Why? Prevents outages, documents infra changes, improves reliability. Bad PR. Cross mark no plan output, cross mark untested changes, cross mark huge refactor. Commit strategy for Terraform projects. Commits should be small, atomic, descriptive, good commit messages, add S3 bucket for logs, update auto-scaling policy, fixing role permissions, bad commit messages, update, fix, Terraform changes. Why? Easier rollback, easier debugging, clean history, daily workflow in Terraform teams. Typical flow. Pull latest develop, create feature branch, edit Terraform files, run plan locally, commit changes, push branch, create PR, review and merge. Why? Prevents conflicts, keeps infra stable, keeps state safe. Hotfix workflow for Terraform projects. When production infra breaks, create hotfix branch from main. Fix Terraform config. Run plan, test in staging, create PR, merge into main, merge into develop. Why? Fast recovery. Keeps branches aligned. Prevents repeated failures. Example: Hotfix, NAT gateway fix. Release strategy for Terraform projects. Releases should be planned, reviewed, versioned. Good approach. Create release branch. Freeze changes. Run Terraform plan. Apply to staging. Apply to production. Tag version. Example: release, version 2.0.0. Why? Safe infrastructure changes. Easy rollback. Clear history. Code review culture. Terraform teams. Review focuses on security groups, ING roles, network exposure, cost impact, resource limits, not personal opinions, blame, style wars. Why? Prevents breaches, reduces outages, shares knowledge. CI/CD in Terraform workflow. Automation should run Terraform FMT, run Terraform validate, run Terraform plan, scan for security issues, apply after approval, on every PR, validate code, show plan output, run security scans. Why? Prevents broken infra, saves time, builds confidence. Tools: GitHub Actions, GitLab CI, Jenkins, Terraform Cloud, Atlantis. Common Terraform Git mistakes: editing production manually, no state locking, no reviews, running apply locally, no rollback strategy. Why? Risky changes, hard debugging, no audit trail, naming conventions, branches, feature, add Redis, release, version 1.0.0, hotfix, ING error, commits, add, fix, update, refactor. Example: fix security group rule. Why? Easy tracking, professional history, easy auditing. How Git workflow helps Terraform projects scale. As infrastructure grows, more services, more environments, more developers, more risk. Good workflow. Check mark keeps infra manageable. Check mark improves onboarding. Check mark reduces outages. Check mark controls complexity. Real-life analogy. Terraform Git workflow is like city construction planning. Without system. Random buildings. With system. Safe city. Branches equals blueprints. PRs equals safety checks. Main equals real city. In simple words, Terraform Git workflow means store infra in Git, review every change, plan before apply, automate deployments. Best strategy for Terraform projects. Use check mark feature branches, check mark release branches, check mark mandatory PRs, check mark Terraform plan in CI, check mark protected main branch. Avoid cross mark direct main applies, cross mark no plan review, cross mark no testing. In Terraform projects, every line of code changes real infrastructure. A good Git workflow. Check mark protects production. Check mark controls cost. Check mark reduces outages. Check mark builds trust.